Hello, welcome to Minnie's Mini Meals. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple pasta dish. I have used one box of Tricolor pasta, which is 12 ounces, approximately 330 grams. If you don't have Tricolor pasta, choose your choice of pasta. Also, I have used a seasoning called Salad Supreme. This is made by McCormick. If you don't have this, it is absolutely okay to skip it. It is optional. I have made this dish without that so many times. Also, I have used a cucumber. I removed the skin and removed the seeds and cut it into small pieces. If you want, you can add tomatoes also. Remember, it takes a lot of practice and patience to perfect a recipe, so keep trying.